Hello guys, my name is Diana and welcome back to my channel. So this is my segment called Guess the Price Tag, where I'll be provided with houses and I will have to guess the price tag. Today we are going to be in London, UK. So if you're ready, play along with me below. Let's go. So the first house, we're in Camden. All right, so it's a detached house, very unconventional. It doesn't look like any UK house that I know of. So that's different. I like the exterior. Ooh, the back is good. I love the back. I like that it's got the little glass thing. It's got a bit of wood and concrete, which I like. It's very different. It's got a garden. That's great. Camden. Ooh, I wonder how much this is. A Camden house with a garden. Whoa, okay, that's going to be very interesting to guess. Dining room, very nice. Kitchen. UK loves a long ass kitchen. Yeah, but that's nice. It's very spacious. Living room, very nice. Bedroom, yeah. Bathroom, very, very nice. Is this the 2 bathrooms? Okay, 2 different bathrooms, very nice. And that concludes that. A detached house in Camden. I'm gonna guess straight up like, ooh, detached house in London. I'm going to start with like 10 million. Something like that. Something like that.
Your options are...
Yeah.
A, 800,000.
Okay.
B, 2.5 million.
Okay.
C, 8 million.
Okay.
These are all in pounds as well, by the way.
Okay, so we're doing pounds because we are in the UK.
So £800,000.
Yeah.
£2.5 million.
Yeah.
£8 million.
I'll be very stupid not to go for 8 million because we're talking London, okay? We're talking Camden, which is still very London. And we are talking a detached house with garden, by the way. So I would be very stupid not to go for the 8 million option. So I'm going to go for C.
Right answer.
Oh, no, you do that on purpose. If you can find me a house for 2 million in London, wow, amazing. Oh, I don't know. Okay, 8 million seems very high, but I'm gonna go for 8 million.
Incorrect.
2 million.
It's £2.5 million.
Interesting. You know what? I had a feeling it could be. Because I was like, 8 million is very high, but people be selling their houses for the most dumbest prices. So lesson learned. Let's move on to the next one. So we are in Putney, and that is the south of London. It looks like only 1 floor. Very odd. Waste of space. Okay. So it's just like a 1 floor situation. Little front garden, little kitchen, living room area. Just another angle of the kitchen. Bedroom is cute. It's got an ensuite, another bedroom, little office. I'm not even sure what that is. It has a garden, very cute garden. And that is that. South London, Putney. Great transport links. Literally, you can get to any workplace from there. Because I messed up on the first one, I'm going to go for like, say, £1.5 million, 1.5 million pounds.
These are the options. A, £1.1 million. B, £4.1 million.
Yeah.
C, £9.1 million.
I'm just going to go for the closest that I've guessed, which is option A.
Correct.
Hey! I was like, if they try to charge me any more than 1 million for half a house, then y'all crazy. But yeah, yes. Okay, next one. Highgate. Oh, Highgate. This isn't Highgate. Go big or go home. All right, listen. Highgate is a luxurious houses. Okay, that's all I have to say. Very important people live on Highgate. So let's go. Go big or go home with this one. This doesn't even look like a London home. I am so shocked at this exterior. I cannot believe this. It's very nice. That's the garden. Wow. Look at the, ooh, acres, baby. Acres. Private drive. Look, I cannot believe this is the UK or London. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Look at that garden. So much space. What is that? Like a chandelier? Like, what is that? And the ceiling height and the garden. It's got a pool. Brilliant. Oh my God, guys. I don't even know how to even guess this one. Okay. Highgate, Hampstead. If I look at the exterior, I think it's fair that I guess my big number now. So I'm going to go maybe like, I'm going to go like 15 or 20 million. That high. Is that crazy? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, that's a lot. You know, I'm going to go like 20 million.
Easy options.
Yeah.
A, £3 million.
Yeah, no, definitely not.
B, £6 million. Or C, £40 million.
40.
40.
Whew. So wait, let me hear it again.
You have A, £3 million.
Yes.
B, £6 million.
Yes.
Or C, £40 million.
There's no way somebody's going to give me a house like that for £6 million. Or maybe it's possible. Nah, that's too much land. I'm going to go for 40.
Fine answer.
Every time you say that, it means I'm wrong. That's what I think. That's what I think. That's a lot of land. I'm going to go for 40. Yeah, final answer.
Correct.
Oh my God. No, because there's so much land in London, in Highgate. Highgate. We're talking Highgate. As in where the commissioners and the ambassadors live. Come on. Yeah, correct. I'm so proud of myself. All right. 2 out of 3 is not bad at all. Not bad. So this property, we are in Hampstead. Let's go. Exterior. I'm loving like the whole glass panels or like glass railings. Oh, lots of glass. I love that. I love that. That would let a lot of light through. Look at this. Ooh, look at this living room. Yeah, that's my vibe. That's my vibe. Cinema room, kitchen. That is my vibe. I am loving this color scheme. It's so minimal. Oh my God. I love this bedroom. And then this is showing me the bathroom and some sort of like indoor pool, I think. Yeah, no, this is a vibe. This is a vibe. Hampstead. Oh, I'm gonna have to look at the size of the exterior again so I know what the hell I'm thinking. I'm gonna go, like 15 million.
Your options are
Yes.
A, 8 million.
Yes.
B, 20 million.
Yes.
C, 60 million.
I'm gonna go 20 million.
Fine answer.
There's no way it's 8 million. I think it's a good size, and 60 millions is just crazy. I feel like Highgate can't be cheaper than Hampstead. I'm making assumptions. I know nothing of these areas, but that's my assumption, and I'm going with it. So I'm going to say 20 million.
Correct.
Don't tell me I don't know my city. Don't tell me I don't know my city. I love that. Okay, where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? All right, so we are in Wimbledon. Okay, the home of tennis. So it looks like we have 3 floors. We have 3 floors. I really love this exterior. What's that? The garden? Maybe the garden or the front? I can't even tell whether it's the back or the front, but look at this space inside. Oh yes, living area / dining area. Love that. Kitchen is absolutely stunning. Okay, this living room. People love living rooms with like 2 seating separate. Is it mirrored? No, it's not mirrored because there's a painting on this side and a mirror on this side. Another living area, another dining area. Bedroom's nice, love that. That carpet looks super soft. And that is that. Okay, Wimbledon, Wimbledon, Wimbledon. I'm going to guess by size and location. I'm going to go for like 20, like 20 million, like 25 million. That's my guess.
Your options are A, £900,000.
Never.
B, £4.3 million.
Nah.
Or C, £10.3 million.
10.3 million pounds.
Final answer.
It has to be.
You are incorrect. It's £4.3 million.
Really? Wow. Wow. I'm actually pretty shocked. For that size, I'm really shocked, honestly. Shocked and disappointed in myself. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. That is the end. The score now is 3 out of 5, which is not bad. It's not bad, guys. I've done pretty well. I've come on top. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, comment, and subscribe so that I can create more of these videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.